yes, windows are extremely important, and how they frame it has always been our endeavor to catch a sunrise, to catch a sunset, to get the reflection of the mountains in the lake, to frame a tree. And so these are the kind of natural elements, the processes is what one is always endeavoring to frame it. And as somebody has famously said it, a room with a view. So we always try to get that perfect view with a perfect window. A good window is something that does its job very quietly without it being noticed. A bad window is when it doesn't do its job properly, when it doesn't lock, when it doesn't slide smoothly. So for us, yes, windows are extremely important, because if you're gonna have nature as your actor, and the windows has to play the role of framing the actor. And if it doesn't frame it properly, then as an architect, I'm not doing my job. There are two parts to it. One is a technical part and one is an aesthetic part. A technical part, it means the window should be not only sturdy in terms of wind velocity, it should be waterproof. The last thing you want your window to let the rains in through leakages, through bad workmanship, bad material. Normally people look at the aesthetics of it, and if you're only looking at the aesthetics, then it may look beautiful, but then after 6 months or a year it starts giving you trouble. It's then you realize that you put in your good money into something that is not doing its job. When we placed the order for the windows and the colors and everything was selected, the thickness of the glass was selected, and then they came to the site and it was completely flawless. It was a very extremely pleasant, if I say that, because it starts with dealing with people. The product comes later on. Starting with the people, it was fantastic. The second part was the installation, and I was quite amazed, because we've dealt with other players, the other vendors in the window business, and their international brands. I found them, these guys are as good as them in terms of installation. It's good that somebody has started something like this, and making people aware, because if there is no awareness, then you don't know. But at the moment you become aware that something like a window needs your personal attention, and you should know a bit about it. So I think it's a great thing that you started something like this, where you're trying to create an awareness in the people.